Hi, my name is Brayden, and today we're going to learn how to fix a flat. Tools that you're going to need are a tire lever and a tire pump. To start off, since I didn't actually pop my tire, I'm going to grab my pump and I'm going to place it on the little valve stem and let all the air out. This could take minutes, seconds, depending on how much air or what kind of bike you have. Once I get done with that, you're going to want to use your tire lever and get it underneath the tire on one side, in between the tire and the tube. Then you're going to get it like this and drag it all the way around your rim. To get done with that, you're going to want to take this off, set the rim aside, and take the tube out. Once you do this, you're going to want to try and find the hole by searching for it and listening for the air that's coming out. Since I did not pop my tire, I'm going to just show you what to do if you did. If it's just a little bitty puncture from a nail or a thorn, you can use a patch kit. This one I got for $3 at REI, and it has glue, sandpaper, and a patch. The way to use this is you want to get a patch and peel the plastic off. Then you're going to want to get the sandpaper here and roughen up the spot where the puncture is. Then you're going to want to put a thin layer of glue around the puncture. Peel off the thing and put the sticky side onto the puncture. Once you get done with that, then you're going to want to put the tube back into the tire. This, like so. Once you have that done, you're going to want to grab the rim. I guess first you're going to want to put a little bit of air inside the tube, just a little bit. Maybe, I don't know, just barely, like that much. Then you're going to want to find the hole in the tube. Mine's right here. And you're going to want to put the valve stem inside the hole. Once you have that done, you're going to want to start wrapping the tire and getting most of the tire onto the rim. Once you get one side into the thing, you're going to want to get your tire lever, put it upside down on the curved way down, and put it in there like this. Then you're going to want to start wrapping it around. So, well, yeah. And you want to make sure the valve stem is steady. And you're just going to keep on going around until you get every bit of the tire inside the rim. It might also help with this tire to use your hand and make rolling motions back. once you get all the tire inside the rim, you're going to want to get this on there. And to be able to pump up your tire, you're going to want to get the thing, put it on there like you're going to deflate it. But then you're going to pull the little lever back. Then you're going to want to come over here, and depending on what kind of mountain bike or what kind of bike you have, since I have a mountain bike, it's going to be between 30 and 50 psi. If you have a hybrid, it's going to be between 50 and 80 psi, and if you have a road bike, it's going to be between 80 and 120 psi. Once you get that done, you're going to want to unlatch this and really quickly pull back, like that. Now you have learned how to fix a flat tire. Thank you for watching my video today, and please like or subscribe if you liked it. Bye.